This is my idea, no scroll. And like where from this idea comes from is like the mindless habit of doom scrolling that we all have, and we spend hours and hours, like 200 3 hours a year scrolling through the content, and after that we have a guilt and a FOMO that we realize like we spent that time and it was lost. We get that dopamine rush by the short reels, but it is not worthful. And I myself was in a situation, so I thought like why cannot there be a platform where I can watch the reels, I can get the dopamine, and it be guilt free too. Like I learn from it, I have the short reels, and that in a structured way, that over a long course of time I learn something. But then I again realized it was not possible for a humans to create such form of content, to create such large amount of videos, reels that would be there. And then it hit to me like, why cannot we have AI agents that govern, like they create the whole AI videos? And like, but then too, like if they are AI agents, who will guide them? And that is where like the no scroll platform shines. What it does is that it takes the dopamine triggering format that social media has, but here what the difference is that the user actually, when he's using it, he's learning. As there is a structured learning sequence, the videos are created using AI, with a set AI that agent that adapts to the user's preferences and makes him learn in the long term. And what's interesting is that every educational channel is a fractional NFT. So we have a channel, every channel is a fractional NFT, and users can come and take stake on it, the governance of the channel. So they can guide like what form of video they want, not bullshit content, only structured content that in long term would be there to make them learn. So that is why we wanted to create no scroll. So a platform where the videos are created by AI, the whole system and recommendation are governed by AI, and we have a governance platform where users can come in and guide like what they want, and then also earn by it. So that is what no scroll is about. Swipe down, so the user can continue with the series, like he's watching, let's say, World War II, World War content, so 1, 2, 3, or he can change the topic itself. So that is the unique concept. And apart from that, he can visit the particular channel that was created and scroll through it like we do normal in YouTube or anything like that. So that is the first thing. Let's move on to the channels and see like how users can create channel. They can then list that channel in the market. Users can come and buy the shares of that channel. So as you can see, like I created a channel, a random channel that is there, and then I list it. And now when the transaction is completed, so like the other user comes and he buys the share, the amount of share that is he needs, and that is how like the whole thing works. Like how much fractional ownership a person holds in a channel. That is how it works. So now let's move on. Now, once a channel is created, we want users, the stakeholder, to decide like how the content that channel creates should be there and proceed with it. So I've the channel that I created, I'll create a proposal for it. So like, as you can see, I already uploaded the proposal on IPFS, and I'll create the proposal. I want to create some reels on blockchain. I'll add the proposal, and then what category like the content would be submitted. Now the stakeholders will come and vote on it, and after that, go with it. The AI agent automatically that is running scans through it and implements and starts to create the videos. So now for the AI agents, I have used the 0 framework, and I've created 3 mini agents. One agent is for creating the videos. One agent keeps scanning through everything and checks if the governance proposal was approved, and then triggers the text to Gen AI model that we have there. Now due to compute constrictions, I was not able to implement and use a proper model, text to video model, but I created a simple slide based video LLM model that is there. And as you can see, like I'm using the Zipper framework. I have DeepSeek 1.5 billion parameters installed, and I'm using it by Olama. I've connected and linked the Sonic blockchain to it, and the contract keeps scanning through it. And once the governance proposal is approved, what happens is that it starts to create the videos, and then when the videos are approved, they go into the video draft channel, the content draft page, and from there again the stakeholders can vote on if they want to proceed on or edit on it. So this is like the MVP part. I definitely want to work more on the text to Gen AI part and other parts like improving the AI based editor, and that is like what my idea is. Thank you.